The average 140-pound adult burns about 320 calories walking 4 miles at a moderate speed. How far should the average 140-pound adult walk in order to burn 100 calories? First, let's familiarize ourselves with the information. The adult burns 320 calories in 4 miles. We want to know, and we will let m equal the number of miles in order to burn 100 calories. This is a classic situation in which we can use a proportion to solve this. So we want to translate, which is the second step of the process, that the number of calories divided by the number of miles must be the same for each situation. So what we know is that we burn 320 calories walking 4 miles, and we want to know how many miles m that it takes to burn 100 calories. So it's calories over miles, calories over miles. We now multiply both sides by 4m because that's the common denominator. We'll see that we can remove a factor of 1, the 4 over 4. Multiplying leaves us the result 320m. On the right-hand side, we remove a factor of 1, the m over m. Multiplying 100 times 4 gives us 400. Now we divide both sides by 320. So we have m is equal to 400 divided by 320. And when we simplify that, it is equal to 5/4, which we can also write as 1 1/4. And remember, this is miles. If you check that answer, you'll find it is correct. So the adult must walk 1 1/4 miles to burn 100 calories.